Welcome to this Excel course video. Through this course, I will be creating a number of different videos talking through different elements of Excel, how we might use how you use different functions, and so for it. However, in this video I'm going to give a very brief introduction to Excel and some of terminology that you might find useful to know. So when you open Microsoft Excel, you will be presented with typically be presented with a welcome screen, which will have a number of different options for you to select. From down the side here, recent spreadsheet that you have opened, an option to select another workbook on your computer, a couple of tutorials from Microsoft and a number of different freely available templates. The templates you typically find here are anything from budget. There is a personal monthly budget here, a household monthly budget, through to things like to-do list and Gantt chart. If there is a particular type of template that you would like, for example, if you would like a different type of budget templates, that you can search for it in this bar at the top here. And we will search literally thousands of online templates that you can pick something that potentially suits to you. So you might want a personal budget, and we'll come back up with a whole different range of options. However, for the most part, most people want to use Excel to manage their own data. And to get the best out of Excel, you are probably best off starting with a blank workbook. So when you come into your blank workbook, there is a couple of different terms that is probably useful to know. Excel is arranged as within series of worksheets, so that this is sheets at the bottom, so you can add more. See if sheet 1, sheet 2, and you can rename this as you see first, and they all combine together to make up a workbook, which is essentially your Excel spreadsheet. Now, in each worksheet you have your columns, which are all lettered, so it's going from A to Z. And then starts it again, an A, B, and will go all the way down, XFD, apparently. And then you have got your rows, which are all numbers, and they go all the way down to over 1,000,000. Now at the intersection of every row and column you have a cell, and every cell in Excel has a name. So for example, column M, row 15 is called M15, and you can see the name up here in this little box here in the top left hand corner. Excel is also arranged into a series of tabs from the Home tab, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View, absolutely also a Help tab. And each of these tabs then open up what is called a ribbon. And the ribbon has a number of different groups in it. And because there are so many different options, they excel in terms of what you can do with your spreadsheet. Many of these groups also have these little pop-up buttons in the bottom corner, and this will open up further options. For example, if you go into the font, it will open a whole other different load of options for your font, so that's the general layout of the tabs and the ribbon in Excel. Another thing that's probably useful to know is down the bottom right hand corner here, there is a little slider that allows you to zoom in or zoom out. You can also click on the little percentage box and actually select the level of the zoom that you want to go to. Obviously, through the videos in this course, we will be looking into more details on all different options that are available in your ribbon and through Excel in general. I hope that you have found this introductory video really useful, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask or contact me. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.